Hey guys, it's me Red and welcome back to my channel. So just like what you saw in the title, in this video I'm going to show you some outfit ideas for men for Japan during the spring season. So mga 2 to 3 weeks back nung nakuha namin yung visa, that's when we started shopping for clothes or OOTDs for Japan. Syempre mahirap na mag-shopping tapos hindi ka naman pala papasa sa visa, no? So yun nga, in that span of time, ito yung mga na-accumulate ko na napamili. Actually meron pang ilang paper bags dito sa baba pero hindi nyo sila nakikita. Personally, I think yung spring yung season na pinakamahirap gawa ng clothing plan kasi hindi siya winter na sobrang lamig and hindi din siya summer na sobrang init. So balance lang siya ng both and medyo mahirap lang i-weigh yung kung okay ba yung init or yung lamig ng clothing na susuotin mo without sacrificing style, of course. So medyo tricky lang yung pag-plan out ng spring OOTDs pero kaya naman siya, guys. So before I show you the final OOTDs, i-haul muna natin tong mga nasa likod ko. Magsimula tayo dito sa Uniqlo kasi si Uniqlo is one of those brands na meron dito sa Pilipinas na sobrang perfect for spring-winter seasons. So I bought quite a lot of stuff sa Uniqlo and isa-isahin natin sila, guys. So first on the list is of course jackets and thermals, and yung una naming binili is this ultralight down jackets ni Uniqlo. Guys, sobrang gaan ng mga jackets na to and hindi talaga siya nagtitake up ng space. So it comes sa parang dust bag na ganito na yung material is di ko alam yung tawag actually, pero kapag binuksan nyo siya, it expands into an actual jacket. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Kung familiar kayo sa parang rib type na jacket na sobrang lightweight lang pero at the same time nakakapagdagdag siya ng heat. And this is such a steal kasi nakuha namin to sa sale rack and yung original price niya was 3,490 pesos. Pero dahil nga sale siya, nakuha lang namin siya for 1,990 pesos ang isa, guys. This one naman is red and of course maganda yung red kapag ka sa feed kasi basta perfect siya sa mga feed. Ayan naman yung red. Ang ganda ng pagka-red niya, no? Again, same jacket. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys, somehow. And sobrang comfortable lang talaga nito, guys. More heat techs. Ito naman yung extra warm crew neck long sleeve t-shirt na collaboration ni Uniqlo with Alexander Wang. So if you guys are not familiar with Alexander Wang, isa siyang designer brand. And sobrang nagulat ako nung meron silang collab ni Uniqlo. This is another steal from Uniqlo kasi alam ko 1,000 plus yung isang piraso nito. But again, nakuha lang namin siya sa sale rack for 390 pesos ang isa. Guys, collab ng designer for 390 pesos each. Next item is another U-Crew line ng Uniqlo. So, kung hindi kayo familiar sa U-Crew line, guys, panoorin nyo yung last haul ko kasi sobrang hinord ko yung U-Crew line. However, this one naman is the oversized line ng U-Crew nila. This is the design that I chose. Size small to, guys, pero ang laki niya kasi nga oversized siya. And this one is not on sale. I got this for 790 pesos. Last item that I got from Uniqlo is another sale item, which is this button-down na long sleeves. Classic checkered yung print niya na parang blue, white, and dark green. As always, this is another steal. Alam nyo na, guys, kapag nasa sale rack ng Uniqlo, grabe, yung original price nito is 990 pesos, but I got it for only 390 pesos. Imagine, guys, long sleeves na button-down for 390. Not to mention, ang ganda ng quality ng mga button-downs ni Uniqlo. So this is really such a steal. Guys, pro tip for you, kapag wala kayong magawa, tapos gusto nyo mag-shopping for good clothes and naka-budget kayo, punta kayo ng sale rack ni Uniqlo kasi sobrang daming steal din, guys. So dito naman kay Terra Nova, yung mga kinuha ko ay yung mga scarves. First scarf natin is just a regular gray scarf. Ganda ng tela niya, yung mga parang sobrang lambot na ang sarap. I got this one for 60 off and yung dating price niya was 495 and I got it for only 195. This next one naman ay susuot mo na parang ganyan. Hindi ko alam parang medyo winter na yung dating nitong isang to. Anyway, this one I got for 245 pesos and dati siyang 345. Another one, mas mahaba naman siyang version. Pwede mo siyang iulit siguro na ganyan. And yung mga ganito maraming pwedeng gawin dito actually. Pwede mong baliktarin para medyo white yung dating. And ayun, 345 lang din siya, guys. Yung dalawa na to, medyo pricey sila. Nakuha ko sila for 495 pesos each. Pero ang ganda ng quality nito, guys, promise. Ayan sila, mahaba sila na ganyan. Sa kapal nila, ganyan yung issue niya. Hirap i-explain kasi nakaupo ako, but anyways, makikita nyo naman to later. It says dito sa baba, Urban Street. Wala, ang ganda talaga nito, promise. Pag nakita nyo yung mga photos, ang ganda talaga. And then, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko out of all the things that I got from Terra Nova. Ganda nito, guys. Hindi ko maipakita, pero Urban Street na malaki na ganyan. Ang ganda talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain. Ang ganda lang talaga. We have a paper bag also from Adidas. Actually, natapos ko na all the outfits that I'm going to wear sa Japan, pero kinulang ako ng isang black na cap. I was really looking for like a bucket hat na kulay black, pero wala akong makita kanina sa SM Clark. So I just opted for this classic Adidas 3-stripe na black na cap. And ayan, ganyan lang yung itsura niya, guys. Hindi ko pa naalis yung sticker. This one I got for 800 pesos. Moving on kay Mango. Actually, I just got a good pair of pants sa kanila. If you're looking for quality jeans, kay Mango kayo pumunta, guys. Kasi although medyo pricey yung jeans nila, sobrang nice no quality. So ayan, classic denim, pero kapag nakita nyo siya in person, medyo parang meron siyang tinge of green. Wala, ang ganda lang talaga ng pants ng Mango, guys, promise. And I got this pair for 2,295 pesos. Let's move on naman sa guys. Actually, one item lang to, guys, and this is something na love at first sight na naman. It was a random day, naglalakad lang kami ni Ben sa SM Clark when I saw this dun sa mannequin. This is a red fanny pack na leather from Guess, guys. Ang ganda nito, grabe. Ayan siya, ang ganda ng hardware niya actually. Parang sobrang ganda ng quality. And again, it's leather. Yung texture ng leather niya is parang crocodile-ish. Pero definitely, hindi naman siya leather ng crocodile. Medyo ganun lang yung pattern. And actually, ang dami mong mailalagay sa loob nito. Ayan. And definitely, masusulit ko to sa Japan. Wala, ang nice lang kasi na kapag ka nagta-travel ka, diba? Nakaganyan lang. Yung both hands mo, magagamit mo pa. So, ayun. I really love this. And that leaves us to our last brand, which is, of course, H&M. Actually, ang dami ko na pamili sa H&M and isa-isahin natin sila, guys. First one is this classic button down. Ang ganda nito, guys. This is maroon and navy blue. Actually, kung pina-follow nyo ako sa Instagram, which kung hindi nyo pa ako pina-follow, follow nyo na ako, guys. Ito yung Instagram ko, which is at Red Diaz. Most of the time, before I cop anything, nagtatanong ako sa inyo if gusto nyo ba yung itsura niya. So, kung gusto nyo mag-interact with me and sumagot ng mga polls ko sa Instagram, just follow me first. So, ayun, moving on. Ito na nga siya, guys, yung first item natin. I got this for 1,190 pesos. Hindi siya nakasale, sayang, pero I really had to get this kasi sobrang classic at sobrang ganda niya tingnan. Next item is this navy blue na naman, white and red. Sobrang na-addict ako sa color combination na to kasi yung feel ako is ganito yung color. Then meron akong Daniel Wellington na watch na ganito din yung color, and meron akong Cortez, yung Forrest Gump, ganito rin yung color niya. Hindi ko alam, may something sa color na ganito na sobrang addict na addict ako. Anyway, ayan, it's just a classic sweatshirt from H&M and I got this for 999. Next item naman is this gray knitted na sweatshirt na merong zipper. Actually, parang siyang turtleneck, as you can see. This is so oversized, pero pwede siyang i-tuck in, which I did, and nagustuhan ko siya nung sinuot ko ng paganon. Anyway, kung nahihirapan kayo ma-imagine, makikita nyo naman yung final OOTD natin for this one. Pero I got this. This was on sale. Dati siyang 1,490 pesos, but I got it for only 900 pesos. Next item is this one. This is also a knitted sweatshirt from H&M. Before I bought this stuff, guys, gusto ko kasi yung outfits ko sa Japan will be versatile. In the sense na hindi laging edgy streetwear yung suot natin. Minsan meron namang business formal-ish na vibe. So ito yung nandun sa parang business formal na vibe. Makikita nyo to pag sinuot na natin, guys. Pero yung presyo niya was 1,690. But again, naka-sale siya for only 900 pesos. So last two items, magkamukha yung last two items natin, guys. This is the gray one. Actually, para lang tamo yung gray kanina, pero iba yung pagka-gray nito and iba yung material nito. Makapal yung material nito, guys. Yung isa kanina knitted na manipis. Basta makikita nyo yung difference niya. Pero ayan, gray siya. And ito naman yung isang version niya. Black lang siya. Kagaya ng gray nga na yun. Black lang yung color nito. Actually, wala sa plano yung dalawa na to. Nakita ko lang kasi sila sa sale rack. And ayun, na-tempt ako. Dati kasi siya 1,190 and I got them for 700 pesos na lang ang isa. So, sobrang steal na yun, guys. So, those are basically all the stuff that I got for our trip to Japan. So, ang gagawin ko na ngayon ay i-pair up ko sila sa mga pieces na meron na ako dito sa bahay. Prepare ko yung mga ibang tops sa jeans na meron na ako, and yung mga jeans naman is prepare ko sa mga tops na meron na ako. Basically, gagawin na natin yung OOTDs and ipapakita ko sila sa inyo in a few.
Don't
So that's basically all the OOTDs that I wore during our trip to Japan during the spring season. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video na to and sana meron kayong nakuhang mga tips. If you want me to do more fashion and OOTD inspiration videos like this one, comment nyo na yan down below. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, don't forget to like this video and share this to your friends. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang ginagawa mo? Mag-subscribe ka na sa baba. Click mo na yung subscribe button para maging part ka na ng ating growing family. And don't forget to tick the notification bell para notified ka every time we have new content. I'm not sure pero if in case I uploaded this video first before the vlogs, abangan nyo yung mga Japan vlogs and Japan haul natin guys kasi yun na yung mga susunod nating i-upload. Again, thank you so much for watching this video guys and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys!